Just 3 weeks and we'll be in England.
What if England don't like me?
It's too far to swim back now.
My little sister Chantel. Welcome to England.
We could go and take high tea and then go and meet Queen Elizabeth at Buckingham Palace.
This is typical you, Aston. You wouldn't know decent accommodation if it crawl up your left nose hole.
So I make your journey all this way to England.
I need to start earning money and make a decent home for children.
I'm actually here to assess a potential husband.
I want to be a star.
Marilyn Monroe, but prettier.
Go back to Africa? Will there ever be a day we all agree?
Why you never tell me how bad it was here?
If I am to stay here, I'll need to find somewhere to worship. This place is kind of like a church to some of us. You might find spirits inside.
Mama Gladys used to say that my British passport was a golden ticket. It's our mother country.
You belong here as much as we do.